All right, we got part 2 here. We got Hobbypark, we got Injora and Treal, and then I just knocked it off, but this rear axle, I was gonna try them on each. So this is the plastic plate that comes stock. Guess I'll weigh that real quick. So it weighs less than a gram. All right. So I'm gonna get this little bearing out of there. All right. So we're gonna dry fit each one just to see how it fits, and then I'll put the bearing in each one. So this is the Treal. So it fits up nice and snug. Looks good. It's big. I have one screw just to see. Goes through fine. So, no problem there. Alright, so next is the Injora. Screws fine. Went through fine, but it's tight. But like I got to push it in, so it's still fine. So yeah, it works fine. The axle. Okay. Seats up there okay. Appears fine. And then we got the Hobbypark. Screws go in more like the Treal did, where it just goes in real easy. So that is not going on as well. It won't seat up. You can get one side in, but not the other. So if that were to fit, it's going to take some work. It doesn't want to get both sides in at the same time. See, it pushes out at the bottom, or if I get one side in, it's out on the other. So that does not work well at all. Probably have to have some grinding done to it. So this is still a Hobbypark. The bearing, this is the factory bearing. Slides in fine. not going to want to come out. It's slick. There we go. All right, so this is the Injora, which did come with its own bearings, but that went in there fine. Came out fine. And then Treal. And fine. So of the three, Treal obviously looks the best. It is the heaviest, but it's also about twice as expensive. It looks like the Injoras are a little rougher, but they did fit smooth. So that worked fine. And then these Hobbyparks, I mean, everything looked fine until we tried to fit them, and I would guess that it's too wide on the side there. So get the Dremel out and sand that down a little bit, it'll probably work fine. But that's extra work you have to do. But it was significantly cheaper, and you did get these side weights with it. So most everything I have has Treal, but I thought I would try these others. So the Injoras are okay, and if you're willing to do the work, these save you a lot of money, but there's probably going to be some work involved.